Welcome back, guys. Today we will be discussing AMD gaming in Tesla. It's really an interesting and amazing topic, so without any delay, let's get started. Recall when Elon Musk asserted you'd have the option to play The Witcher 3 and Cyberpunk 2077 on a 10 teraflop gaming rig he's stuffing into the new Tesla Model S and X? AMD is formally giving the guts. During its Computex 2021 featured discussion, the chipmaker recently uncovered that the new Tesla infotainment framework comprises an AMD Ryzen processor with its own coordinated designs matched with a discrete AMD RDNA2 GPU. So we really have an AMD Ryzen APU driving the infotainment framework in the two vehicles, just as a discrete RDNA2-based GPU that kicks in when running AAA games, giving up to 10 teraflops of figure power. We anticipate giving gamers an incredible stage for AAA gaming, says AMD CEO Lisa Su. What's more, on the off chance that you consolidate that data with another piece of information AMD uncovered today, in addition to a prior spill in January, we may now have a passing thought of how amazing that 10 teraflop infotainment framework could hypothetically be. Likely somewhat less than Sony's PS5. Leaker Patrick Scher uncovered a Tesla block outline in January that singled out an AMD Navy 23 GPU explicitly for Tesla's new vehicles, and today AMD declared the new Radeon 6800M, 6700M, and 6600M PC design chips, the most fragile of which just so ends up utilizing Navy 23, Anand Tech reports. As we realize today that Radeon 6600M chips, a company's 28 CUs and 1792 shader units, contrasted with the 36 CUs and an expected 2304 shader units worth of RDNA2 GPU in Sony's PlayStation 5, which likewise claims to be a 10 teraflop gaming rig. Thing is, AMD discloses to us that the Tesla has 10 teraflops of all-out process in the event that you tally both the incorporated and discrete GPUs, so you probably will not see the entire 10 teraflops for gaming. The more modest number of GPU centers proposed, we ought to expect somewhat less execution from Tesla contrasted with Sony's controlled center. The better quality Radeon 6700M Navy 22 has a similar number of CUs as the PS5, everything being equal. Execution relies upon the software platform, however, as we've seen with the 10 teraflop PS5 and the 12 teraflop Xbox Series X, and a new occupation posting by Tesla proposes game designers may really be working for Linux in the event that they need to focus on the new Tesla in-vehicle gaming rigs. Linux isn't really an advantage with regards to gaming execution, however. Google's Stadia Cloud Gaming additionally bragged 10 teraflops execution from its AMD GPUs, yet ports of games from Bungie and Square Enix didn't look close to the same as they did on a more fragile Xbox and PC equipment at the Assistance's dispatch. The main inquiry is most likely still the one that was asked back in January, however. Who will sit in their $80,000 sports vehicles and play a AAA computer game? Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted on Saturday that the Model S Plaid, which incorporates the new AMD framework, will begin conveyances on June 10th. AMD's Ryzen chips are taking incredible steps lately. Simply in March, AMD divulged its Ryzen 5000 Pro chips for business PCs. The organization guaranteed its versatile CPUs would even beat Intel's 11th generation Tiger Lake V Pro processors. Scott Herkelman, corporate VP and head supervisor for AMD's graphics business unit, said that energy proficiency is one of the new RDNA2 design's principal benefits. There have been staggering advances in gaming in the course of the most recent quite a while, with incredible innovations permitting work area PCs to convey supercharged, flawlessly intricate and vivid universes more than ever. Today, we're eager to bring the superior energy-effective AMD RDNA2 engineering to cutting-edge PCs to open similar degrees of elite encounters and consistent with live visuals for portable gamers. With AMD Advantage, gamers can be certain these cutting-edge PCs are planned, enhanced, and reason-worked for the most ideal gaming encounters. As it was, as of late reported, Tesla has been putting more work toward computer games inside its vehicles with the objective to advance fun and its possession experience. A year ago, it was reported that Tesla is building another computer game and UI group in Austin as the automaker is attempting to transform its vehicles into genuine feasible computer game stages. This is truly any gamer's dream come true. So that was all for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also let us know your thoughts about the video in the comment section.